Today I'm gonna play Don't Press the Button with my best friends Philip and Lena and Jan. Now I decide. Jan. You're my brother. Also, I'm having my Nezuko hoodie on right now. So yes, because I'm also Nezuko right now.
No, I did it. This is the first time I actually did it.
I have a Nezuko hoodie and I am Nezuko right now. So win-win.
Hello. I won. Yay.
Yippee.
Do you want to take a screening over me?
No,
Why?
I don't.
Oh, I love
Okay.
this one.
These are my favorites. I keep you spin me right round, maybe right round like a record player. You know the song Begging? Like begging. Like Simona doesn't like that song for some reason.
My mom's friends thought it was 47 making blue.
I'm gonna die. Oh no.
I did it.
Guys, I want to make videos of me.
You know what?
No, yes.
This is scaring me.
No, yes, no, maybe. Yeah, that was easy.
Still be alive. There you go.
Still be
Touch.
alive. What does that mean?
And
Staying alive.
Staying alive, I mean.
No. Yay, I'm tiny Nezuko like when Tanjiro's putting me in a basket.
dude, look.
Oh.
I already know that's gonna happen.
We were choir.
That was kind of embarrassing.
What am I?
Do you know what was kind of embarrassing?
Guys, if you kill zombies,
No, really? I want chicken strip.
She's gonna give a good. I'm saving my potion.
melted chicken strips.
Yum. Oh, easy. That was easy.
I took mine. You don't have to buy the thing.
That was easy.
That's the chicken strips. Oh, I hate this one. But I like it at the same time. Okay.
Lena, yay!
Now it's gonna be much easier. One of our people already died. Yo! Snipe!
I
just hit
died.
I just hit you.
I'm actually really good at. I'm actually
literally just hit you.
I'm actually super good at dodgeball in real life.
No.
Philip?
They got 3. We had 3 people.
Philip,
and
you
they
know
had
what?
4.
Hey,
That
Philip,
was
you
cheating.
know what? I'm not bragging, but I'm actually the best in my class.
Oh no, and it's Amelia. I mean Lena.
What did you say?
Really? Oh, I didn't
You have
notice.
to kill people then.
No, don't kill me. No, please, Lena.
Lena, just don't look at any other screens, please. I won't know because I won't know the way where you're going. Like what is this?
I just clicked on something.
Oh,
Click on
keep
what?
getting dead ends.
Oh, hi, Ann. Kill the other people, not us. Okay, Lena?
Ah! Yes, I found 2 people.
Lol. Hi, Philip.
Yeah, we're in the corner, guys. We might be around the corner.
Where's Lena? It's not someone else.
I'm Nezuko.
Oh my gosh, there's so much ways to go.
Guys,
Yeah.
I just saw someone here. Who's that? I'm going that woman. No,
Huh?
I just said don't go there.
My gosh,
She's dumb.
Who is?
Following her.
That woman!
Yeah!
Woman! Come in! I got the
Yes, I survived! Yay! Yay!
My sister was the only survivor.
Amelia and my sister, what?
Me and Amelia.
No, Baldy! No!
Kill him.
I hate Baldy!
How?
I want to get spanked.
Yeah, kill him.
Fudge you, Baldy!
How do you kill him?
Yay!
That's so fantastic. That's
Clap, clap, clap. Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap those cheeks!
That's literally the best song ever.
Clap, clap those cheeks!
Hey, yep. Do you want to get cancelled?
Yes.
Philip, you literally made him die.
Actually,
Lol.
I just died.
lol.
No, my jump!
Ah.
I'm stuck in the ground! What the heck? I'm stuck in the ground! Can you see me on the building?
No.
No, that's cheating!
Cheating right now. It's a glitch. I just died.
This, I completed this one.
Hello, I'm gonna kiss you. Mwah.
Yes, I made it!
Lily, you know the video?
Bruh, it was
Hey Jax, can I kiss you?
Bruh,
Lay it on
you
me.
know what? That guy is literally the guy that always
He's
won.
speaking Japanese.
He's speaking another language.
He's speaking Japanese. Kisses a person. Lol.
Kiss is a person.
What?
I want to see people's reaction.
It ended.
Yay. Yeah, because you did it in the I don't care. I don't have to
Lol.
sing anymore. Do you feel it? No, I don't. Because I died.
I wanna write something.
Everyone forgot about it.
Vertex is so cool. Guys, surviving.
Guys,
Oh.
and get away. No, everyone. Kill everyone else and then we'll have a final video. Kill the other
Yeah,
one
guys,
guy.
team up. Team up.
Kill the other one guy. Kill the other one guy. Yeah.
I just
Oh.
Yeah, please don't. Look out, don't stand next to me because when I walk, I said to
Hit the woman. Oh wait, someone get this person.
I'm getting them.
I just killed her. I killed her.
Okay, we're gonna have a final call.
I mean,
Oh, that was easy.
3, 2, 1, go.
please don't kill me.
Let us.
Yes! Actually did it!
You what?
I said I actually did it.
How did you?
I just found the button. I was like,
That was easy.
I just looked forward. There it is.
That was me. I clicked the button.
I coughed.
No,
Yay.
we have table.
Guys,
Yay! Oh no! My table! It's broken!
Sorry, Philip.
Guess what? Help me. I'm stuck at the floor. Wee. Haha!
8 times 8 equals 64. I still won.
Ah!
I still won.
That didn't come. Okay.
I can't move, guys. I keep look.
I did it.
That was easy.
That's fun.
I couldn't.
Diamond.
Guys, I literally couldn't move.
Yay, chicken strips!
You mean the potion?
Wait.
Not chicken strips.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Guys, subscribe if you like chicken strips.
Yeah.
Comment in the
Chat.
Just comment in chat.
Yeah.
Chicken nuggets are the best.
Yes.
I mean chicken strips.
And the first person,
Chicken nuggets.
guys, and the first person who does it, I'll pin you.
Yeah. First, wait, I want to kill the witch. Why do you want to kill the witch? It doesn't matter if you get pinned in the first comment. Because so the second comment gets pinned. So whoever says first comment, they'll be wrong. The pinned person. You know what?
Yay, chicken strips!
Who wants to check if it's the same? I'm saving mine up.
Me too.
Yeah, just drink yours.
Jump.
Yeah, it's actually better. Yeah.
I'm drinking.
We cannot die.
Oh my gosh,
Oh, you
how
died.
did I just die?
Me.
Oh, I lost my chicken strip.
No.
Yeah, I see you.
What the heck? You know,
I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Oh,
Do you know tapping?
I'm jumping. You can see me. I'm jumping.
I'll just drink the thing, but then I just.
I see you.
Some of them are sometimes poison.
No.
Oh,
I missed the hood because what's wrong with my phone? I can't see it very well.
Lena, say something
That
random.
guy always
Random.
gets the winner first.
Something random.
Guys,
Oh yeah.
we have to have a
Wait, but we've never helped.
Oh, that's
That it all got when